Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android Auto if it's not working. Now open up the Settings app on your Android phone. The first place that we're going to go to make sure it's working is Connected Devices. Tap on that, and then if you scroll down here you can see Android Auto. Just tap on that. Now the first thing you need to do is hit Connect a Vehicle. It defaults to connecting through a USB, but most people have a wireless connection these days. So let's tap on Connect using wireless Android Auto, and you can see it says press and hold the voice command button, or you can hit Connect using Bluetooth and just tap on Pair a Vehicle to pair your vehicle with Android Auto. You should be able to see after you go through this process, you should be able to see if you go back out of here, your Android Auto car right on here. After you've done that, you can see if you scroll down, we're going to go to Start Android Auto Automatically and either set this to default or always. In my case, I usually just set it to default. And you also want to have Start Android Auto while locked. This allows you to start Android Auto even if your phone is locked. So if that is off, just turn that on. The next thing we're going to do is go back out of here, and in the general settings, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps, and then the Android Auto app itself. Let's first just tap on Permissions here and make sure it has all the necessary permissions like your calls and contacts and microphone, etc. So if any of these don't have access, just tap on them and switch this to Allow while using the app, and then hit back and back. The next thing we're going to do is scroll down and go to Mobile Data and make sure it's set to allow background data usage, and allow data while using low data mode or data saver mode is on. This will allow you to use it even if you're driving around. Now next, let's tap on battery and make sure this is set to optimized or unrestricted depending on your preference. And then let's go back and then go to storage. Now within storage, there could be a corruption in the data files. So let's hit the clear cache and then clear the data and then hit delete. After we've done that, let's go back out of here. And the last thing we'll do on here is we'll go to app details in store. This will open up the Android Auto Google Play Store, and we'll just tap on update. If there is an update available, just update it. The last thing you can do is always just restart your Android phone to get that Android Auto fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.